2008 Mercedes C300. Got custom bumper, custom wheels. Really nice car. What we got done on it, it's got factory converter there. 2.25 pipe on each side. And factory converter there. Then it got secondary converters there. Factory resonator. Then it continues. And we did a muffler delete on this side. And a muffler delete on that side. With quad tips. I'll show them to you guys in a second. There's the two rear mufflers that we cut off right there. And replace them with these quad tips. Looks so much better, so much cleaner. Tell us what you guys think. And like always, guys, please subscribe, comment, and like our videos. If you like the sound, like the video. We appreciate it. Yeah, smooth, not too much. Yeah. Yep. Oh, that's perfect. Yeah, that's clean. When you want smooth, just do a rear muffler delete. There's the sound decibels. Go ahead. 103. Those quad tips look so much better on it too. It completes the look. It's really clean.
That's my new baby.
Glad you like it.
All right.
I like it, man. It's deep.
Yeah.
It's a really smooth sound. There's no rasp.
No.
Yeah. Benz C300. Got a nice wheel, nice set. It's really got a nice stance to it. I like it. I like old cars, man, especially when they're customized. Each person has their own personality added to it. That's what I really enjoy about that. Oh yeah. What do you guys think? I like it. Hopefully it'll go be smoked. That sounds so good. Enjoy, guys.